Precisely why. You fucking tighten that shot.
Not an off-roading vehicle.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we're taking a look at the Luna Eclipse Folding Electric Bike. This is not a paid promotion. They didn't send me this bike. I bought this with my own money. Came out to be $1,585. That's including the shipping and everything. I also bought the Luna toolkit that came with it. I don't know if it's really necessary if you have your own tools, but if you don't, then you might want to pick it up. But I bought this with my own money. It's not a paid promotion, like I said, so these are all my first impressions and initial thoughts. I think the bike is very sturdy for what you get. It's a folding bike. It's very strong considering it's foldable. You got full suspension all across, front and the rear. Got fat tires, full twist throttle. So you got 5 levels of pedal assist, like they said in their video. And from my first impressions, 3 is as high as you want to go. I'm 6'2", 6'3", and you know, my legs are pretty long, so going anywhere over 16 miles an hour, my legs are moving pretty fast. So pedal assist level 3 is pretty much all you need. 4 and 5 is basically, you know, you might as well just be using the throttle. So, but I also found that pedaling in with no assist is very comfortable. It's just like a normal bike. And when you need a little bit of throttle, you just give it a little. Now, as far as the seat goes, there's definitely room for improvement there. This is going to hurt your butt for long periods of time, but I don't think that you'll be sitting much on this bike. I'm pretty tall, and this is basically a BMX style folding bike. So already from just riding it just a little bit, I have noticed that I'm standing up most of the time. So this isn't a motorcycle. It's not a commuting bicycle, but it's like a fun, like, scoot around, bring it with you wherever you go type of deal, since you can fold it. The pedals also fold. Handlebars do not fold, but you can always loosen the stem if you wanted and fold them down. But all right, we got a full battery. I've been riding it around a little bit, so it's not entirely full, but we're gonna do a top speed run. And before I do that, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm 6'2", 6'3" again, and I'm about 155. So take all that into consideration, and let's see how fast we can go on just the throttle alone. All right, so pedaling with no assist is super easy, super comfortable. And the brakes are very, very strong. Actually, you could definitely lock up the wheels with these. All right, this will be a little hard one-handed, but top speed run from a rolling pedaling start, 10 miles an hour. Let's see. So as you guys can tell, I just hit 25 miles an hour. I actually got a little bit over 25, and it does hold solid 25 with the throttle use only. But what I did notice is that it's kind of like a compound effect. If you've ever ridden anything electric, it's like you open the throttle all the way, let it get to its top speed, and then you let go, and then open the throttle all the way again, and then it kind of like compounds on top of itself. So that's how you get to 25 miles an hour. All right, that's my initial review of the Luna Eclipse folding bike. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and comment down below, and subscribe if you want to see some more stuff like this. Peace.
Oh yeah, dude. Okay. It's gonna be fucking gnarly, dude. Ah, that shit ain't open. That's super nasty.
All right, so while you're taking the battery out, there's a fuse cover right next to the key port, and be very careful because you will lose this piece. It says fuse on it. It's right in there.
It's not the other way. It's righty tighty, is it not? Maybe it's the other way because you just turned it. It's the left pedal. Wrong pedal. Make sure you put the right pedals on the right side. That's still not there, right? Dude, what the actual fuck? Dude, what the fuck? What? This way. Is he going in?
Oh my, the seat must be higher. Must be bigger. And I need air. 100%.